my subtopic, what are the two division concepts, what ideas are involved, models, language and symbols for sharing algorithm for division, and include estimation and the treatment of remainders. One way to do division is called partition, so it's when the number of groups is known, the size of each group is known, and the group may be found by sharing. There's also quotition, which is when the size of each group is known, the number of groups may be found by a process that is essentially repeated subtraction. My activity is called Pirate Cruise, and the learning objectives will be solving division using sharing equally, also using one by one sharing, and then also grouping it together to understand, and also linking it back to multiplication so then they have that mathematical understanding. So my activity is appropriate for grade 2 level, and it fits under AusVals with recognise and represent division as grouping in equal parts, equal sets, and solve simple problems using these representations. My justification for using this activity is it is both fun and interactive. You can also link it if you're doing an ocean or sea topic during the term, and it also does provide those links between those multiplication basic facts. So the prior knowledge that the children will have to have is multiplication, definitely. They have to be able to visualise and use the multiplication facts. They also will need to know something about their arrays. Skip counting is also good for another strategy to use in division, and also they'll should have a basic sharing concept. Alright, so my activity is so there are 2 pirates in the crew. They have 10 coins to share out. How many will each pirate get? So, Dan, my student, we're going to use our 10 fingers to represent the 10 coins that the pirates have to give out. Now, this can be used as like a warm-up activity. So we have 10 coins, and now how many fingers do we have on one hand? 5. 5. So if we have 5 on one hand, how many do we have on the other? 5. So our 2 hands represent the 2 pirates. So we have 5 is the answer. And to write that, it would be this here is our dividend. We've got our divisor, which is number 2. And we've got 5, which is our answer, also known as our quotient. So how we're reading this is 10 coins shared between, which is also our division symbol, between 2 pirates equals 5. The next question we're doing is there are 2 pirates in the crew. They have 4 coins to share out. How many will each pirate get? So now we're going to use our treasure chest. Okay, so I'm going to get my student to come and demonstrate. We've got 4 coins and we've got our 2 treasure chests. So, Dan, can you please show me how many each pirate will get in their treasure chest? So 2 each. Well done. Alright, so how did you come to that answer?
I just divided them and spread them out equally.
Very good. Okay, so we're going to write it mathematically now. We have 4 coins shared between 2 pirates, which the answer is 2. So our 4 is our, again, dividend, shared between 2, our divisor, and our quotient is 2 also. So some students will be able to understand and relate that halving. To extend upon it for the more advanced students, you can go a bit harder, which the question could be, there are 15 coins to share among 5 pirates. How many will each pirate get? Can you please put a coin in each of the pirates' treasure chests? So how many have we got in the treasure chest so far?
1 each.
And how many is that altogether?
5.
Alright, can you please put one more each in each of the pirates. Alright, so how many have we got left to put in the pirate's treasure chest?
5.
5. Okay, and how many are in each of the pirates so far?
2 each.
2 each. Well done. Alright, we'll put the last one in each of the pirates. I'll help you. So how many does each pirate have?
3.
3. Okay, so let's write this mathematically. We've got 15 coins shared between 5 pirates, which equals 3. So again, we've got our dividend, which is the 15 coins, our divisor, the 5 pirates, and our quotient, which is our answer, is 3. So you can use this to, like I said before, extend upon, and each time when you did this, you would again go away and let the children discover it on their own, each of the answers, and then be a worksheet you could send out with them. Alright, that's it.